Welcome back to my channel, Global Quiz Zone.
Welcome to Guess the Animal Habitat by Emojis. In this fun quiz, I'll show you emojis, and you have to guess the habitat where the animal lives. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's the first one. Can you guess the habitat of this animal? The answer is savannah. Next up, what is the habitat of this animal? The answer is forest. Now try this one. What habitat does this animal live in? The answer is Antarctica. Can you guess this one? The answer is grassland. Here's another. What is the habitat of this animal? The answer is ocean. Try this one. The habitat of this animal is swamp or river. Next up. The answer is rainforest. Can you guess the habitat for The answer is woodland. Here's another. The answer is desert. What about this one? The answer is ocean or deep sea. Can you guess the habitat for The answer is mountains. What is the habitat for The answer is bamboo forest. Try this one. The answer is jungle. Next. The habitat is rivers or lakes. What about The answer is highlands. Here's another. The habitat is freshwater or rivers. Try this one. The habitat is underground or forest floor. What about The answer is rainforest. Next. The habitat is savanna. Last one. The habitat is garden or wetlands.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more quiz videos.